How to segment your portfolio and export. Cast Highlight provides a multi-criteria table that hosts the details of the onboarded applications. From the application results dashboard, we can decide whether to analyze the entire population of applications or segment by domain. Let's narrow down our population to the domain called Customer-Facing Products. This table contains 24 lines. We can sort by clicking on the headers, or search by using the dedicated field. In case we need to go further with our analysis, let's activate the advanced filters to run some cross-analysis. For instance, we want to create a segment of apps that own software resiliency, agility, and elegance scores that are greater than 50. They should also be the best candidates to move to the cloud, so a cloud-ready index score higher than 65. Lastly, let's focus on applications with no more than 15 full-time equivalent employees. This short list of applications can be exported in various formats such as CSV, XML, and PowerPoint. For more information, please visit casthighlight.com.